Need to check your background report or fix an error? Here's how to reach HireRight customer service. Call 1-866-521-6995 Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time to speak with a HireRight representative. HireRight can help you track a background check, correct report errors, verify your identity, or upload missing documents. Visit HireRight.com/applicant-help to submit questions, find answers, or upload documents securely. If you're an employer or HR rep, call 1-866-400-3239 to reach the HireRight Business Support Team. You can also email applicant@HireRight.com with your full name, report ID, and details of your issue. HireRight support is available by phone, online, or email. Get help fast with your background report or application status.